Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be learning an exercise called moving yin and yang. Our stance will be grounded yet relaxed, with our knees slightly bent, our pelvis slightly tilted forward. We can begin with more gross movements or exaggerated movements, especially at the top. Feel your crown extending upwards into the skies. Relax your shoulders, your arms, and your wrists, as well as your hands and your fingers. Feel your hands moving slowly through space. Just noticing now what's happening inside your body. Relax your shoulders. You allow the energy or breath to move through your palms, extending and relaxing your fingertips. What do you notice? Just listen to what's happening. Do you feel your breath getting longer? The practice of Qigong is that of the cultivation of your own life force energy. Now, these forms are merely a tool to help expose you to your body's innate capacity and potential through mindful breath and movement. This exercise in particular is very good at harmonizing the left and the right sides of the body. This includes the left and the right hemispheres of the brain. A fundamental principle of Qigong is the left creates the right and the right creates the left. Similarly, the up creates the down and the down creates the up. The beauty of this is its simplicity. When we practice Qigong, we mindfully breathe, we relax our body, we begin to tap into the interconnectivity of our whole body and being. We become more clear, more aware, and we have less blockages. When we have less blockages, we develop our sensitivity. Meaning, when we move our arm to the left, we feel a chain reaction take place from our left fingertips into our forearms, shoulders, upper back, lower back, core, seat, hips. We feel this come back up through our pectorals, through our upper backs and shoulders, out through the other arm, out through our fingertips and palms. Similarly, when we push down through the ground through one foot, we'll feel that chain reaction take place in the form of spirals going through the body. So the question is, where do you direct that energy? As we conclude today's session, I want to thank you for being here, and I would encourage you to spend some time now with your breath, considering everything we've talked about and your own personal potential. I wish you the most wonderful of days, and thanks for watching.